Our company is a professional manufacturer who has been in packaging machinery for more than 15 years. Chunlai is dedicated to fabricate intelligent, elegantly designed and high-quality packing machines. From small, manual-operated to high-speed, automatic machines, we offer the advanced technology on the market for manual tray sealer, automatic tray and cup denesting, filling, sealing, and capping machine, rotary cup filling sealing machine, linear continuous motion filling sealing machine, modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, bottle filling capping machine, pre-made pouch filling sealing machine, etc. The equipment is widely used in the packaging of products in the food, beverage, dairy, and daily chemical industries, such as chili sauce, instant noodles, fast food, tofu, yogurt, honey, wet wipes, facial masks, etc. Wenzhou Chunlai Packing Machinery Company Limited, located in Wenzhou. We enjoy convenient water, land, and air transportation. Currently, Chunlai machine is already exported to America, Switzerland, Australia, Germany, Italy, Russia, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and 30 other countries and regions. Our company has always focused on research, development, and innovation, and has recently developed new sealing machine. We have CE certification. Our company offers reasonable prices, efficient production time, and good after-sales service. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits. Buyers are welcome to contact us.